Have you tried a Kulfi ice cream made with dairy? Well, today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade dairy-free Kulfi ice cream, which is so rich and creamy, it just melts like a dream, without a drop of guilt. Made with wholesome ingredients, it captures all the nostalgic flavor of traditional kulfi in a lighter plant-based twist. You are definitely going to fall in love with this. 2 cans of coconut milk went in the pot on low flame. Add some cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom reduces blood pressure and helps digestive health. A quarter teaspoon or 20 strands of saffron. All the way from the Middle East.
From Dubai.
Saffron, which comes from a flower, improves mood, depression, and anxiety. Stir this for 5 to 10 minutes and you will start to see the milk turning yellow as well. A quarter cup of milk. It smelled so good. It smelled fragrant like flowers and sweet, even though there was no sugar in there. For sweetness, you can use a quarter cup or less of maple syrup or 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. Okay, so after 10 minutes, the milk is starting to get boiled up and you can see the froth on the top. After 20 minutes, you will see the froth and the bubbles start to come to the surface, which is your sign to put the gas off. Okay, I'm going to toast up some almond flour, about a quarter cup of this. Toast the almond flour for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the milk mixture. Why am I drooling while looking at this? Smells so good in here. Wait for the milk to cool and then pour this in the ice cream maker. Okay, now from the bowl, pouring it in this ice cream maker.
Ice cream maker will make ice cream about in an hour.
Okay, so I poured the ice cream in this container right here and look at the saffron in it. Okay, and now it's about time to taste it. Wow! The cardamom made this taste sweet, warm and citrusy. The saffron has a unique taste, slightly bitter and sweet. Dairy-free ice creams in stores are so expensive now. In this, you know the ingredients. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes, and have a great day.